We're quite chipper on board at the moment. Morale is high.
Yeah.
We're ripping down the C&D canal.
I bet. Cleaning the boat for an entire year. You don't touch a thing.
Alright.
Whoa.
I'm Elayna and this is Riley, and this is our home, Le Vagabond. We've been sailing around the world for the last 5 years and have recently found ourselves with a stowaway. Meet Lenny. Subscribe and welcome aboard.
That I feel, yeah, fired like a cannonball in the sky, so
We're currently tacking up the Delaware Bay and we're hoping to reach the C&D canal before nightfall, where we'll drop the anchor for the night. Then it's only another small jump into the Chesapeake Bay. We're finally nearly there, but we've had a really fun time in getting here.
We've heard all about the countless anchorages and the natural beauty of the Chesapeake. We're also keen to explore Annapolis as tourists this time because when we were there for the boat show, we were unbelievably busy. We're about to just scoot quite close to this boat up here. He's trying to race us.
One great thing about the catamaran is like there is no way I could be down below washing the dishes on our old boat because you can't see the water line, you're that much closer to the water, it can get pretty uncomfortable, but here I can like wash the dishes and glance up and it makes me feel way less sick, like it's totally doable. So I'm grateful for the view out my galley window.
Oh, it was a bitterly cold morning. So we're going all the way around. There's a whole bunch of really shallow areas in there that we probably could go through, but we're always super conservative with our navigating. And we're going to go all the way around everything and then go up the channel.
It's honestly so amazing how Lenny is sleeping because this hull is lifted and when we go up and down the waves, when that bow like kind of jumps, it kind of jolts the back of the boat a bit, and I'm not kidding, I would not be able to sleep to that if my life depended on it. That's why we always sleep up here in the saloon. That hull is okay. If that hull's buried, that might wake Lenny. If that hull's buried, that hull's not so bad to sleep in, but yeah, this one can be hard when it's lifted up. Yeah, if my life depended on it, I would not be able to sleep where Lenny's sleeping. So good.
Hello. Did you wake up? Hello, mate. How you going? What is this? Come here. Oh. Are you happy?
Hey baby! Hello! Are you a bit less grumpy? What are we up to?
Just putting the code D up. The wind was howling from here and as forecast it's dying off and dropping back here. So it's just beautiful conditions to throw up this. Downwind, light wind, code D. Isn't that right, Lenny?
we doing?
I'm just dropping it.
Have you cracked it?
I haven't cracked it. Are we going to hit anything?
I don't know.
Who's steering this boat?
Me, but I gotta watch Lenny at my feet. Two things are happening. We've turned on the engine because there's no wind and other boats are overtaking us and we couldn't have that. And we're also taking out Riley's stitches.
Oh, okay.
We have another fly infestation.
Everywhere.
It hasn't come from where we keep the bin because we haven't had a bin bag in there for a while and it's clean. And as soon as we came around this corner, the whole boat's filled with flies and they bite through your clothes.
Through your clothes?
Yeah, they've been biting me on my trackies. It's the most awful.
No.
Riley, why would I lie
Sorry, I believe you.
about fly bites?
I don't know if that tug is tugging that and that and that, or if it's connected to this big ship over here, but we cut this corner.
That was really strange. There's this huge ship with 4 lines coming off at each corner, maybe more lines, and then 4 tugboats, and they're all kind of moving together. There was one buoy which was flying through the water behind one of the tugboats, and we don't know what they were doing. There was no message on the radio or anything, and we didn't call them. They got something going on under the water, I think, but I don't know.
So this is the C&D Canal, short for the Chesapeake and Delaware Canal. It's 14 miles long, 450 foot wide and 35 foot deep. The canal saves around 300 miles off going around the Delaware Peninsula.
Where do you find the time to pop in my head so often?
We did it. How many more bridges?
Oh, there'll be a few. I don't know, someone just said I'll be fine, so I'm just going to hammer it under all the bridges.
Yeah. And that one, I could see with the drone, was really, really high. But when you're underneath, you cannot tell how much room you have. It's just impossible.
We're quite chipper on board at the moment. Morale is high.
Yeah.
We're ripping down the C&D Canal.
New canal for us. Tick that off the list.
Yeah, we don't often do this. I'd like to do this in Australia, actually.
Yeah. Up in the Northern Territory.
Yeah.
Wrestle some crocodiles.
Feed the jumping crocs.
That'd be cool. We really want to take you guys to Australia. I think we spoke about it recently.
Long-term plan.
That's our plan. Circumnavigate Oz. Show you guys a beautiful country.
Where do you get under? To be in each book I open, and every page I turn, I know where this story's going. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Put those on, Captain.
It is freezing.
Got to set the anchor 3 times. The floor's really muddy and seagrassy. So, but we got it set so we can sleep well tonight. And it looks like there's some really cute little restaurants and stuff over here, real
does.
seafoody. Should we go in and eat some food?
You don't even know, but that looks beautiful, mate. Look at this. Hey, what a sunset.
How's your food? Average.
Not as good as yours, Elayna.
Oh, thanks, babe.
I think I just ordered the wrong meal.
Yeah, what did you get? Fettuccine.
Yeah, we don't usually film in restaurants because I think you will find them really boring. But we're gonna call it a night. Well, we're gonna go for a little walk. Maybe there'll be something more interesting to film for you guys. It looks really cute around here.
There's a log there.
Rocking and rolling down to the beach. I'm strolling. The seagulls poking my head. Not fun, said seagulls. Stop it now. There's a lot of logs around.
I rolled one over and there was a stick underneath.
No, you rolled over the rock and there's a stick underneath. There's a tiny little stick.
Why would a rock give birth to a stick?
That's the song.
It's a log.
You rolled over a log and there was a baby log. No, he rolls over a rock and there's a baby stick.
But why would
And
a
I
rock
said,
give birth to a
"Oh."
stick? It's a log, because a log gives birth to a stick.
You would think that. But the song goes, he rolls over a rock and there's a tiny little stick.
What do you want to bet?
Oh my goodness, I bet. Cleaning the boat for an entire year. You don't touch a thing.
Alright,
Whoa. It's a rock, babe.
Google it. She does this all the time. She's so unbelievably certain of herself. And I just wait until the one time when I know I'm right and break the bank.
Now I'm really scared. What's it called?
You should be.
What's the video called?
Cleaning the boat for an entire year. It's only 365 days
I'm not doing it.
of cleaning
Hang on.
your mum. She's so silly.
One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over.
Oh no, it was log! Oh, the rocks. That's where I got confused.
Oh,
Rocks be your special gift.
did you?
Seagulls.
Right, well, that's fairly, I would say that's indicative of many discussions we've had previously.
Not happening.
Ah.
Common mistake.
And this is what it's like to own a boat in Michigan in wintertime. Watching Sailing Le Vagabond helps us remember that blue skies and blue seas will be coming back soon. If the crew of the Le Vagabond help you get through the long winter months like it does us, I encourage you to become a patron too. Happy sailing!
We've got some bacon, which is delicious, and eggs. On toast for breakfast, and a smoothie with all the good stuff. And just making that, I'll show you the state of my galley. And now with a small kitchen, we'll have the same problem, but yeah, cooking anything just makes this place an absolute pigsty. I'm not the cleanest cooker either. I like to get into it and throw stuff around. And Riley's like, clean as you cook, and I'm always like, no. I like to cook, eat, and clean afterwards. Riley, breakfast. One of those is yours.
One.
Yeah, I get the other one.
Alright, thank you.
Don't let the spinach blow away.
No, there's no wind.
One-handed, like the Italians with pizza. Some Americans recently told us how to eat pizza one-handed so that you can drink and do all other things so efficiently at the dinner table. And yeah. You go you fold it long ways in half. Very sophisticated. I'm sure everyone else in the world knows
Yeah.
how to do that. I didn't.
Join us next week as we sail to St. Michael's with our good friend from home, Dave. We also indulge in the local cuisine. Things are about to get real crabby.